Hi, this is the recording for the activity list, Life's a Picnic 2. It is due Thursday, October 25th. The first assignment is required 3 times 20 minutes. Read to self and practice your power goal. Each time you do that, please make a check in one of the boxes. For your reading focus, it will be text features. This is required 15 minutes and it is learning. Scan the QR code to listen to the text features test and answer the questions, or read the text features test and answer the questions. This is due Friday, October 26th. This is to be done independently. Please mark your work mode. The next section is work on writing. You're working on capitalization and punctuation. The first assignment is required. It should take 15 minutes, and this is learning. Scan the QR code and listen to the CUPS, C-U-P-S, self-assess video. The next assignment is required 15 minutes, and it is practice. Complete the Writing Fix-It activity in the resource area. This is independent or pair. Remember to mark your work mode. The next activity is required 15 minutes. It is practice. Complete the life cycle of a snowman worksheet in the resource area. This is independent. Mark your work mode. The next activity is required. It is 10 minutes and it is practice. Edit and score your life cycle of a snowman writing using the CUPS rubric in the resource area. This is to be done independent. Remember to mark your work mode. The next activity is optional. It should take 10 minutes and it is for practice. Scan the quizz's QR code and complete the punctuation and capitalization quiz. This is done independently, and remember to mark your work mode. The next section is reading comprehension. This is a required activity, should take 20 minutes, and it is practice. Read changes, solid to liquid, with your assigned partner. Then complete the RAPS question from the resource area using the information from the partner play. This is to be done in a pair. Remember to mark your work mode. The next section is listen to reading. This is required 15 minutes and it is practice. Listen to a story on Raz-Kids on your level. What is the title? Write the title here. Take the quiz. Write down your score right here. This is independent. Remember to mark your work mode. The next section is foundational skills, 3-letter consonant blends. This is required for 20 minutes and it is practice. Green readers practice writing and reading the words, then match them. Blue readers, 3-letter blend, sort, then record and upload to Canvas. Red readers, 3-letter blends, close passage. White readers, word search and use 3 words in a sentence. This can be done independent or with a pair. Remember to mark your work mode. The next activity is required for 5 minutes and it is practice. Scan your QR code to review the tricky words on your level. This is independent and remember to mark your work mode. The next section is required 10 minutes. It is practice. Use a computer. Complete the symbol word building and sorting lesson 3-letter consonant blends. Go to the CWTES website. Go to Students. Go to second grade. Then find 3-letter consonant blends. It's the second red box. This can be done independent or with a pair. Remember to mark your work mode. The next section is social studies. The first activity is a choice, and it should be done in 10 minutes. Read Finding Places on a Map from the resource area, or scan the QR code to listen to Finding Places on a Map. This can be done independent or with a pair. Mark your work mode. The next activity is required. 15 minutes. Complete the Finding Places on a Map questions in the resource area. You may also scan the QR code to listen to the questions be read to you. This is to be done independently. Please remember to mark your work mode. The next section is our activity, food storage and safety. These activities link to your authentic learning unit. The first activity is required for 5 minutes. Sign up for the Properties of Matter investigation. This is to be done independent. Remember to mark your work mode. The next activity is a choice. It should be done in 20 minutes, and this is learning. Read pages 98 to 101 in Science Fusion, or scan the QR code for Properties of Matter. Then complete page 105 from the resource area. This can be done independently or with a pair. Remember to mark your work mode. The next activity is required, 25 minutes, and is learning. Use your computer. Complete the Science Fusion digital lesson, Unit 4, Lesson 3, What are solids, liquids, and gases? This is on the CWTES website under Students, 2nd grade, Unit 4, Lesson 3. It's the third purple box. After you have watched the Science Fusion digital lesson, then complete the note-taking guide from the resource area independently. The digital lesson can be done with a pair, but the note-taking guide must be done independently. Remember to mark your work mode. The next activity is required for 20 minutes, and it is practice. Complete the Properties of Matter investigation in the pod. Get your recording sheet first from the resource area. Only complete the section before the dark line. Do not mark anything after the dark line. This can be done in a pair. Remember to mark your work mode. The next section is required for 20 minutes, and it is practice. Complete the Properties of Matter matching activity in the resource area. Take a picture of your matches and post it to Canvas. This can be done independently or with a pair. Please remember to mark your work mode. The next two activities are optional. They should be about 5 minutes. Enjoy listening to the States of Matter song. Independently or with a pair, mark your work mode. Also optional, 15 minutes. Complete the Properties of Matter scavenger hunt from the resource area. Independently or with a pair. Remember to mark your work mode. Thanks, and continue working hard. Keep up the good work.